doing color. I can show how to do color. Square first. First I can write my name. Wait. I can write my name. Here is my name. First square. Green. Dark green or light green?
Dark green.
Okay. Here is it. I can put this one. I can color square. Now I can do next color. This one, they tell this line color the star. I can color star. Yellow. Yellow. I like yellow also. I can color star. Here they tell me color the heart. I can color heart. Heart color red. It's okay. This is wrong now. It's okay that it's a mistake. It's okay. Yeah, I can color the star. I can color the heart. This line they tell me color the circle. I can color circle. Purple. Light purple or dark purple?
Dark purple.
Okay. I like light purple.
Okay, then take light purple.
This is it. I can do this one. I'm teaching how to color it. Yeah.
Whom you are teaching?
My name is Anvi.
Hmm.
You are telling everything questions? Yeah. You cannot tell color Anvi. You cannot tell this one. Yeah. Now my circle is color. They told me next line. They told color the triangle. Blue color. You have dark color. Yeah, I can do this color. I finished my worksheet. First line they told me to color square. Next line they color me to tell star. Next line they color me next line they told me to color heart. Next line they told me to color circle. Next line they told me to color triangle. Done.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you. My worksheet is done.